back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm not going to be doing my typical weekly check-in just because I did not keep track of my spending this last week. My week was just super busy, being a payroll week at work because I work in payroll. So it was super busy. I have to stay late at work on some days and go early to work like 7 o'clock. So it's just crazy. There's $12 I couldn't account for out of my groceries envelope. So I'm like, just forget it. So I'm not going to be doing a weekly check-in today because I just cannot account for all of the money. So, but I still managed to have some leftovers. So I'm going to be going straight into the unstuffing real quick. So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, before I go into that, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your presence here. If you love cash envelope videos, if you love savings challenges as well as paying off debts and just budgeting videos in general, then you are in the right place. Why don't you please consider subscribing today and join the family? I would love to have you here. And to my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. So I'm going to be putting my coins into here. This is where I'm going to keep them until I am ready to do my savings challenges for the month of July. I just lost a penny. Fell behind the fridge. I don't know if I'm going to get it. So yeah, I'm going to keep my change in here until I'm ready to do my savings challenge video for the month of July. And here are my mini envelopes that I carry around with me every day. So yeah, I'm going to be starting with the groceries. Yeah, well, takeout is empty. We use everything. Spending, I did not use anything out of my spending envelope. And I am not going to be stuffing this anymore. And I'll tell you later. I'll tell you why later. So here is gas. I did spend $10, so I have $10 left in gas. Couponing is empty. I used everything. I used all $20. Miscellaneous, I think I have $4 left in here. I did laundry. I used $6 for my laundry this week. So I have $4 left in there. And then here is my groceries left over. And I have a few change left in here as well. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and count everything that I have left over for this week. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So I have $49 left over. And here is my leftover from all the way from the beginning of the month. I think I spent I spent more money on grocery this month, I guess because the kids are home for holidays, so for summer break, so we tend to spend a lot of money on groceries. So I'm going to count everything that I have left over from all the way from the beginning of the month. So now I'm going to count how much I have my total is for my leftover. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have $214 left over for the whole month. So what I'm going to do with this leftover money from now on until something changes is I'm going to be taking a certain amount out of it and put it in my emergency funds because I don't want to ignore my emergency funds as well. So I'm going to be putting a major portion of my leftover money into my travel binder. So here's my emergency funds envelope because my goal is to get to 1,000 by December, and I have to get into this month because our AC broke down and it's super hot here in Oklahoma. It's like we're in the hundreds almost every day, so I have to get into it to fix the AC. So I'm going to be putting some money in there. I don't want to ignore it. So I'm not sure if we can get to 1,000 by December. I don't know. I'm going to try. So I'm going to put $50 in there. So now I have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96. You know what? Okay, 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 10, 15, 16. I'm just going to round it up all the way to 100. So yeah, to make it even, 300. So 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. So yeah, now we have $300 in emergency funds. If not because of this traveling that we're planning, I'll put all of it in here, but it's okay. When we come back from our vacation, we are going to be more aggressive in saving up for some other things. So right now I'm going to put in this into my travel binder. I have a reserve envelope here in the back where I'm going to put in all this money until it gets to a point that it's like a lot, like maybe almost $1,000. Then I will be stuffing them into the different envelopes, because I don't want to be stuffing them every now and then. So I want to do a big cash stuff for the travel binder once in a month. So I'm going to be stuffing the envelopes by the end of July. So yeah, I'm super excited to watch this envelope grow over the month. So that is that with my leftover. Now my leftover envelope is empty. I'm going to fill this back up for July. So now I'm going to restuff my mini cash envelopes. I'm going to start with groceries. Groceries today is going to supposed to get $450, but I already went grocery shopping. So I'm going to take $250 that is meant for African grocery shopping. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50. So this is meant for my African grocery shopping. Then I believe I have $85 left in my groceries for my grocery budget for the month, because I budgeted $200. And after I went to the store, I was left with $85, I believe. I hope I'm not mistaken, but if I am, I will see the leftover by the time I finish stuffing the rest of the envelopes. So this is all going, so I'm going to be spending this tomorrow, so don't worry about me carrying all this money around. This is going, I'm going to the African store tomorrow morning. Oh, I put the money in the wrong envelope, guys. I did not even notice this. So yeah, this goes in the groceries. Next is going to be takeout. Takeout is getting its regular $20 today. And these mini envelopes, if you are interested in them, I got them from 2 months budget. I will link all the Etsy shops that I got everything out here in the description box. Miscellaneous is going to get $20 because I'm going to be doing my laundry from here. I actually remember to budget for laundry this week. Couponing is getting its regular $20. I still have some money for my couponing in my reserve couponing envelope, but I just want to stuff $20 for the week. I'm going to take this around with me. And groceries will be getting gas is getting $20. I'm going to be buying some gas. And that is going to be it with my mini cash envelopes. So this is going to go back in my wallet here. So this is going back in my wallet. Now, the reason why I'm not going to be stuffing this envelope anymore is because of this right here. So I got this from Amber, 2 months budget from our giveaway. So I decided to turn this into my own personal binder, because I discovered that every week I don't spend my money. Even if I spend it on somebody else. I don't actually spend this on myself. And I feel like I'm cheating myself. So I decided to start my own personal binder. So I'm not budgeting for spending for me anymore. Now I'm going to call it my personal money. So I have 6 envelopes in here. I have my allowance, self-care, closet. I have hashtag shop local. I have savings, and I have Morrytemmy. $100 is what I budgeted for myself for my allowance this month. But because I'm not gonna get paid a full salary for the month of June because I didn't work a full month in my old job, because according to payroll with my old job, if you don't work a full month, you go to supplemental payroll, which pays out on July, which is going to pay out on the 12th of the following month. So I'm not going to get paid for that portion of my salary, my paycheck, until July 12th. So I didn't want to cash everything out of my account just yet. I want to get that money in 2 weeks before I can get everything else out. And that's another reason why I'm not doing a big cash stuffing today. So $60 is supposed to be what I'm going to be stuffing today. So I'm going to put $10 in each of these envelopes right now, and by next week, or I think I don't know when my money is going to eat my account from my old job, but whenever I get paid for that portion of my paycheck with them, I will get the remaining of my $40 for my allowance. So I really think it's time for me to take care of me. And so I have allowance. So this I can spend on anything. Self-care if I want to get my hair done or my nails done. Closet to buy clothes or shoes. This is to support small businesses. And savings is just for my personal savings and then for my business. So yeah, that is that about this binder. And the rest of this money is supposed to be $140. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. So this is the rollover from our accounts, our bank accounts, the remaining from our cushion. And we've decided that we're going to be putting everything left over, like from our buffer, it's going to be going into our travel binder from now on. Because we need to be aggressive about this travel binder right here. We have very, very long ways to go. We are talking about $26,000 here, guys. And we only have about 14-15 months to do this, because by October of next year we should be done saving for this travel. So everything that's left over from our buffer and cushion will be going into this binder. Yeah, I'm super excited to see how soon I'm going to be able to fund this binder. I'm not going to count this money right now until the end of the month. I'm just going to keep on shoving them in here until I'm ready to stuff this binder by the end of this month. The last thing I'm going to be doing today is going to be my summer savings challenge. Yes. This challenge is still going on until the end of July, and we should be saving $300 by the end of July. This week is week 5, and I'm supposed to be saving $40, and I have it right here. I almost forgot about it. So the balance should be $180. 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. So now I have $180 in here. And I'm just going to check this off. So now we have 4 more weeks to go. I'm super excited about this challenge, guys. If you still want to join this challenge, it's not too late to join. I'm going to leave Brenda's email in my description box. All you have to do is email her, and she will send you a copy of this tracker free of charge. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching and stuff my envelopes. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We are almost at 400 subscribers, and I really hope that I get to 500 subscribers in the month of July, so we can have another big giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and make sure your bell is on so you don't miss out when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.